Today everyone, we discuss week 15 about information and education of HIV and AIDS. HIV stands for Human Immune Deficiency Virus and AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system, usually the CD4 cells, also known as T cells, which are crucial to fighting infections and disease when HIV weakens an immune system to the point where it can no longer AIDS. AIDS is the final stage of infections, characterized by severe immune system damage, the occurrence of opportunistic infection or cancers.
HIV has three etiology. First is unprotected sexual contact. This is having sex with someone who has HIV and having anal sex. The second one is blood contact. HIV can be spread through direct contact with infected blood, such as by sharing needles, receiving affected blood, transfusion, and accidental needle stick injuries. The third one is a pregnant woman and with HIV can pass virus to her babies during pregnancy. Birth or breastfeeding, but treatment can greatly reduce the risk.
So, screening and testing for HIV. HIV antibody test. This test detects antibodies produced by the body in response to HIV infections. HIV antigen test. This test looks for specific protein of the virus called antigens. Last, nucleic acid test. That is highly sensitive test that detect the presence of HIV genetic material in the blood.
Sign and symptoms. Early HIV infection will present with flu-like symptoms, such as fever, fatigue, sore throat. The symptoms can vary and some individuals may experience no symptoms at all. As HIV progresses, more severe symptoms and opportunistic infections may develop. Without treatment, people with HIV infection can also develop severe illnesses. Tuberculosis or TB, cryptococcal pneumonitis, severe bacterial infections.
With yearly diagnosis and access to proper medical care, including antiretroviral therapy or ART, individuals living with HIV can live long and healthy lives. ART can suppress the virus, slow down disease progression, and prevent transmission to others. However, without treatment, HIV can lead to AIDS and severe immune system damage, making individuals susceptible to life-threatening infection and cancer. It is important to note that HIV education and information should also include discussion on prevention method, promotion safe sexual practice, condom use, harm reduction strategies, and raising awareness about the importance of regular testing, early diagnosis, and treatment adherence.